Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review GoMining. GoMining is a platform that lets users earn passive income through Bitcoin mining by using digital NFTs, call it mining power cards. Instead of buying expensive mining equipment, users buy these cards, which represent real mining power from GoMining's data centers. You earn daily Bitcoin rewards based on the amount of power your NFT card holds. One of the big benefits is that you don't need to handle hardware, electricity costs, or maintenance. Everything is managed by GoMining, and your earnings go directly to your wallet. The platform also has a user-friendly app and a dashboard that lets you track your rewards and manage your mining NFTs easily. However, like any crypto-related platforms, there are risks. The value of mining rewards depends on Bitcoin's price, mining difficulty, and power rates. Also, while GoMining appears legit and transparent, it's still a relatively new concept, and there's limited long-term user data available. Overall, GoMining can be worth it if you want to earn passive income from mining without the hassle of running machines. But it's important to invest only what you can afford to risk and always research before buying it. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.